Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn marketing mix.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on marketing management. Today we are going to understand marketing mix. Well, marketing can be defined as a social and managerial activity through which individuals and groups achieve what they need and want through creating, offering and exchanging products of value. Well, it is about the target market and you can say achieving the results from target market. To achieve desired results from this target markets, marketers use various tools. These tools are known as marketing mix. Marketing mix is the set of marketing tools that organization uses to pursue its marketing objectives. McCarthy classified these tools into four broad groups that are known as 4 P's of marketing. They are 4 P's because they start with the letter P. They are product, price, place and promotion. Well, Robert Lautenborn suggested that the seller's 4 P's, that is what is producer, P's 4 P's, and consumers 4 C's are matching with each other. Let us say product is matched with customer solution. If producers say it is my product, customers look that product as his own solution. Price is matched with customer cost. If it is a price or tag profiting part for marketer, for producer, it is a cost to the customer. Definitely he pays for that. The third, place, the distribution channels and physical distribution decisions and etc. where the product is available, is the place for producer or marketer, and for consumers it is convenience, where it is available, it may be nearby, on my way, etc. And promotion for the producer or marketer is matched with communication. It is not promotion for consumers, it is communication. It is about becoming aware of. It is about, you can say, that convincing part, or it is about reminding part. For consumers, definitely it is a communication. So you say this 4 P's are matching with 4 C's over here. Well, let us analyze these 4 tools in a bit depth. We can say first is product. Product is anything which can satisfy a need or want and has market value. Product decisions include product variety, quality, designs, brand name, features, sizes, services, warranties, returns, packaging, etc. Second is price. Price can be said as exchange value of the product. Price decisions include list price, discounts, payment period, allowances, credit terms, etc. Third is place. Place means channels through which products reaches to consumers. Place decisions include channels, coverage, locations, transport, inventory, assortments, etc. While promotion is the communication to customer favoring product, organization or related things. Promotional decisions include sales promotion, advertising, public relations, publicity, sales force, network marketing, direct marketing, etc. Well, these are 4 traditional P's of marketing which McCarthy depicted. For service marketing, there are 3 another P's. I mean to say additional P's. In addition to these 4 P's, there are 3 more P's for service marketing. Services are basically intangible, inseparable, variable and perishable compared to goods. For service marketing, these 3 additional P's are process, physical evidence and people. In service marketing, process is even important and not only the final product, unlike goods marketing. Even physical evidence is required that services is provided or are provided. The people providing and receiving services are also important in service marketing. Well, there are many P's developed out after above mentioned 4 or 7 P's. They are relatively new and cannot establish that importance as the traditional 4 P's. But they are invented, they are said, they are depicted by different authors, and that's why let us say them. The major are pace, politics, power, performance, etc. But the basics include 4 P's for goods marketing, and in addition to that 3 more P's for service marketing. They are product, price, place, promotion. And for service marketing, they are product, price, place, promotion, process, physical evidence and people. So let us say this was about marketing mix. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.